Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. It is a question for class 11 maths exercise 4.3 question number 3 from NCERT book. Chapter is mathematical inductions. Question 3 is prove the following by using the principle of mathematical induction for all n belonging to natural number n. Right? Question is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2, 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus n equal to 2n divided by n by 1. Right? So all this type of questions which we have already solved in question 1 and question 2, the same steps we shall follow. These questions will be solved in 4 steps. Up to 3 steps everything will be equal, but only in 4th step some calculation and simplification will be different. So we shall see the solution of this question. Okay, so in first step we shall write the equation in the form of Pn. Let the given equation is P of n, then P n equal to this equation we shall write for Pn 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot so on plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot plus n equal to 2n by n plus 1. This first step we have already completed now, and for every step CBC is awarding marks for the students in different manner. Okay, so for every step we shall be very cautious. Second step, in second step we are supposing n equal to 1. Why we are taking 1? Why other numbers we are not taking? Because if the number 1 will be correct, then we shall proceed. If number 1 we cannot prove, then there will be no chance of proving later on, so we shall quit the question. So only first term we are considering. So if n equal to 1, then we get P1 equal to 1. LHS equal to P1 is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to 1. RHS equal to 2n, n plus 1, and for n we are taking 1, 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1. So it will be 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus 1 will be 2, and it will be 1. So LHS is also 1, RHS is also 1. We are writing here, since LHS equal to RHS, so Pn is true for n is equal to 1. This is second step. And third step, we shall assume P K be true for some positive integer k. Right? K is a positive integer. So for 1 it is already proved. For k we are trying, assuming that it will be true. So for this we are writing P k will be equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot plus, and for n we are writing here k. right? And it will be equal to 2 for n k, and for n we are writing k and plus 1. So this is the third step, right? 2k by k plus 1, and this equation is already given. Now fourth step. Fourth step will be, now we shall prove that p k plus 1 is true. Now p plus k, if we shall prove this, k plus 1 is LHS is equal to RHS, then k is already proved. It is thought that it is also proved this k. So now p k plus 1, we shall write 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot plus k plus 1, right? So at the place of n we are writing k plus 1 now, plus sorry, up to k, it is up to here, and now plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot plus k plus 1. Okay, so this is k plus 1. It is 1 2 3 plus k, 1 2 3 plus k, and next is k plus 1, right? Next is k plus 1, and this in third step we shall consider it as equation 1, right? So we see that up to this level, up to this stage, up here this component is equal to 2k by k plus 1. Okay, so we shall write by equation 1, 1 plus 1 by 2 up to here, 1 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 3 k, up to here it is 2k. So this component we shall consider 2k by k plus 1 plus this one 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot plus k plus 1, right? And this will be equal to this 2k to here 2, and for k we shall write k plus 1, and k is k plus 1 now and plus 1, right? 2 is here, for k we are writing now it is for k plus 1, so we are writing k plus 1, k is k plus 1 and plus 1, right? So it will become 2k k plus 1 plus, for this how we shall calculate this. So we know that we have one formula that if 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot n, so sum of n term what is, so it is n into n plus 1 by 2, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot n sum of this is n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula we are knowing. So according to this it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot k plus 1. So up for the n it is n. This will be treated as n. K plus 1 will be treated as n. So we shall write here n is k plus 1, and again n is k plus 1, and 1 is for formula by 2. So it will be k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2, right? It will be k plus 1 k plus 2 by 2. So at this place we are writing k1 k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. So it is 1, so we shall write 1, and again we shall write k plus 1 k plus 2 by 2 will be equal to 2k plus 1 by 2112 k plus 2, right? So now this we shall treat as LHS, and this we shall treat as RHS. Okay, so we are taking further this part, and lastly it will come to this, then LHS will be proved to RHS. So here LHS will be 2k by k plus 1 plus this 2 will be reversed, it will go at the place of numerator, and this will be denominator, k plus 1 into k plus 2, right? Taking LCM, it will be k plus 1 is here, k plus b here common, and k plus 2 is different, so ultimately LCM will be k plus 1 into k plus 2. So k plus 1 k plus 2 will be cancelled, only k plus 2 will remain, so 2k into k plus 2 will be here, and this plus is here, k1 k plus 1 k plus 2 is here, so it will be 1, 1 into 2 will be 2, right? Again we shall go further, we see that 2 is common in both terms, so 2 we shall take common, so it will be k into k plus 2 plus 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, now it will be 2, and again if you shall multiply it, it will be k square plus 2k and plus this 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now we see that this is a square b square and it is 2ab. How? A square means k, b square means 1, k square 1. So it is a, it is b, and it is 2ab. 2a means 2 of formula. A is k, b is 1. 2k multiplied by 1 will be 2k. So it will be a plus b whole square on this line. So we can write it 2 into k plus 1 whole square by k plus 1 into k plus 2. So by this k plus 1, k plus 1 square is there, so this square will be cancelled. So it will be 2k plus 1 by k plus 2. This is our RHS, 2k plus 1 by k plus 2. This is equal to RHS, right? So what we see, what we will write now? Hence LHS equal to RHS. So we shall write, so P k plus 1 also true whenever Pk is true. Wherever Pk will be true, k plus 1 will also be true. So ultimately the third step is proved is true. Hence by these all things we will have to write in answer book, because every part has separate marking. By principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all number belongs to natural number n. This is our answer. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. You will support this channel. If you have any doubt, write in comment box. I will answer it. Thanks.